Hey everyone, welcome back. Side with Pinnacle Trading here. Today I'll be covering why it's a solid opportunity to be buying Apple stock for long term. Let's jump into it. Please be advised of the disclaimers. Look at the stock right now, right above me. As you can see, it was about 150 beginning of the week and just continued and went down all the way to about 134. So when we take a look at the overall on this one, it's been about 130 to 180 this year or so. So let's jump into the key specific price points that we're looking to purchase. So this is a Fibonacci. So when we look at the Fibonacci, we want to look at the support and resistance levels. Right now, you want to write this down. 130 is going to be the support. It's a whole dollar number and it's a psychological number in the stock market. So the 130 is going to be the key support point, and the 150 is going to be the first resistance, and then we have resistance all the way up at 180. Take a look at this one. Let's jump into the chart. If you look at the yearly chart, it's just been 140, 130 on the lows, and we've seen 160 to 180 on the highs. So when we see something break down and come back down and test that support on the yearly chart or the 3-year chart, we want to be buying for long term because it's a solid pullback. And long as it's confirming and holding that base area, we want to be buying on the upward momentum and buying the dips for long term. And again, this is not a broker or a stock advisor in any way, but this is something I'm buying for long term because I see solid opportunity and value in this company. And this is one of the biggest market cap in the stock market, in the US stock market at least itself. And being $1 trillion company, this is something I'm happy to have for long term. And it's actually a nice gift to be buying because we see nice stock discount on the overall chart when it's taking the dips. So that's why I'm going to be buying this for long term. If we take a look at the growth as well, we can see that it has exponential growth over long term compared to penny stocks or any new IPOs or things like that. These are the type of companies that we want to buy for long term just because of their tremendous growth. I'm not a stockbroker or advisor in any way, but this is just my opinion and my due diligence that I'm doing, and I'm showing my analysis on the stock. But when you're buying something for long term, we want to hold it for years and years. And if it's something that you're comfortable holding for that term and you see these pullbacks and the drops in the market, that's actually a gift to you. This is a nice Christmas gift in the stock market to be buying for long term. Not only does it appreciate over time, but it also pays you out dividends every quarter. And they've had solid dividends over the years. Just stocks like Coca-Cola, AT&T, Visa, MasterCard, and other stocks just like that. So we want to be buying something for long term that we can hold without hesitating and looking every day, compared to like penny stocks or day trading or swing trading. That's my valuation in stocks like these for long term, that we want to be buying the nice solid dips because they're gifts. If we do see more of an accelerated sell-off in the stock market coming up into next year, we're going to have the next support down here at 118 level, and we're going to see this possibly test a 120 before the end of the year if stock market do not hold at this range and we don't get a Christmas Santa rally as they call it. So being that the 120 is the next support, that's going to be 50% retracement on the Fibonacci, which is very huge. When something retraces 50%, that's pretty much a solid pullback. And you can also see that it's below the 50 and 200 SMA, which is a nice solid buying opportunity for long term compared to many other stocks right now that are not paying dividends or they're down like 50%, like Facebook or Meta, Tesla, and other things like that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you aren't part of their chat room already, link in the description below. We call out a lot of investing, day trading, swing trading ideas, and just a general chat that you can talk to other members. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button.